Have you ever wanted to label your data in bulk, quickly selecting many tasks at once that all receive the same label? With Label Studio Enterprise, now you can. In this video, I'll show you exactly how you can quickly label multiple pieces of data at once. Let's dive in. Bulk annotation happens right in the Data Manager, the first page you see in any Label Studio project. There are two main workflows for using bulk annotation: careful filtering and visual inspection. Let's talk about careful filtering first. In the Data Manager, you can use this Filters button, shown here, to filter your data on any characteristics you may have. If we click Add Filter, we can see that we can filter on the image, text, or audio data, as well as annotations, when it was annotated, and more. In this case, let's say that we want to annotate places where the text contains the word car. Now, we can select all the samples that appear, and under the Label to Tasks dropdown, we can click on Bulk Label. This opens a sidebar where we can see the different annotations that we were making for this project, and we can select any relevant labels here that we want to use for the selected tasks. We can then make our annotations and click on Submit To here to save all the annotations for the tasks that we've selected. The other main use case for bulk labeling is visual inspection. If we click on the grid view in the Data Manager, we can see all the images that correspond to each task. If we want to quickly select tasks for bulk label by visual inspection, we can either click the image itself here, or we can click on the image part of the grid to enlarge the image. There are a few hotkeys to be aware of here. The left and right arrow keys will move to the previous or next image. The spacebar will select the current image, and scrolling with the mouse allows you to zoom in on the image. Let's look for a few images containing bikes. Let's see, this one doesn't, this one doesn't, this one does, so we'll click the spacebar. This one might. Let's zoom in. Is that a bike there in the back? I think it is, so we'll go ahead and select that one. No bikes there, no bikes there. We can leave it at that for now. That's probably good. Now, just as before, we can close out of this tab, select the drop-down menu under Label for Tasks this time, and select Bulk Label. Here, we'll see the same pop-up window pop open where we can make our selections, here containing bike, and then we can submit for to submit all 4 tasks. In both cases, you can minimize the annotation sidebar once you've opened it by clicking on the arrow button here in the corner if you wanted to change or add to your selected image. You can use the hotkey Shift and period to reopen or close that sidebar quickly. And that's it. With bulk labeling, it's faster and easier than ever to annotate multiple tasks with the same labels at one time. Happy labeling!